Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Today, I want to talk about my busy day. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is great for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Some days are very busy. I have many things to do. I feel a little tired, but I also feel productive. On a busy day, I wake up early. I do not stay in bed for long. I get up quickly and make my bed. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I make breakfast. Sometimes I eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I eat fruit and yogurt. I drink a cup of tea or coffee. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. In the morning, I start my work. I check my phone and read my messages. I answer emails. I write a list of things to do. This helps me stay organized. Sometimes I have meetings. Sometimes I study or read. I try to focus on one thing at a time. I work hard and do my best.
Okay, I think that's enough for now.
At lunchtime, I take a short break. I eat something simple. I drink water. I take a few deep breaths. Short breaks are important on busy days. In the afternoon, I continue my work. I may feel tired, but I do not stop. I finish my tasks one by one. After work, I clean my room or kitchen. I wash the dishes. I organize my desk. A clean space helps me feel calm. In the evening, I cook dinner. I usually cook something easy. After dinner, I relax for a short time. I listen to soft music or watch a short video. Before bed, I prepare for the next day. I check my to-do list again. I set my alarm. Then I go to bed early. A busy day can be hard, but it can also feel good. When I finish my work, I feel proud. I feel happy because I did my best.
This is my busy day. What about you? What do you do on a busy day? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.